Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Supnil Poti. You're watching Night 2.5. So today in day 3 of Skilling Open, day 3 round 1, Vidit Gujarati finally comes with a victory against Peter Swidler, and let's see what he does in this game. So Vidit is black here and Peter Swidler is white. So Peter Swidler opens with C4 English opening, pawn to C5, G3. And I want to mention you that okay, this game is really short. Vidit has just like Peter Swidler made a mistake and Vidit just capitalized on that mistake. So G3, knight C6, bishop G2, G6. When cheating is bishop knight C3, bishop G7, knight F3. Both the knights are developed and pawn to D6, castles, rook B8 and E3, developing the knight f6, striking in the center d4, castles b3, and bishop e6. Now I want to mention you that you can't push a pawn here. Okay, you can push, yeah, obviously. But if you push, this is not played by Peter Swidler. If you push the pawn, please tell me the reputation that black will give here to win this game. Like, not he's winning immediately, but he will get a winning advantage here. Hope you found it. And the move here is knight takes d5. And the important thing to note here is that this knight can't take here because my this monster bishop just pins the knight to the rook. So that's why this is refuted and this is not played in the game. So after bishop e6, bishop b2. Now the thing is, if you are attacking my knight here, I'm just defending it, and now I am like ready to push my pawn and win your pair, win a piece. Yeah. So with it realizes it, and he takes the pawn on d4, c into d4, knight into d4, knight into d4, queen into d4, and knight d5. And what a nice tactic, yeah. Like you are developing, centralizing the knight in such a way that you are attacking the queen. Just give me a second. You are attacking this queen, and also the queen, this knight is hanging because of this pawn, but no one can take it because you are attacking. And once the queen is moved with the tempo, you can centralize your knight, yeah. So this is like you can, the also the thing is, I have to also defend this knight simultaneously, because then there are two attacks on this knight, and there is two defender for now. But if you suppose you move your queen somewhere else, then you lose your knight, yeah. So this is very important here. There are some little tactics here to show. So queen d2 supporting the knight, as I mentioned, knight into c3, bishop into c3, bishop into c3, and the bishops are exchanged, and this is slightly equal game. So queen c7, rook ac1. Now white, both the sides, like the intention of white is to play on this quest, this c file and d file, whereas now black has to go for the minority attack, yeah. Just push this pawn and play a minority attack. So let's see who will be, and let's see who will be successful. And remember that, okay, this game is finished on the 21st move. So what happened is rook to fc8, queen b2, removing the queen from that rook file. So queen a5, rook fd1, pawn to b5, and the thing is Peter Swidler blunders here. And I would like you to stop the video and find the winning move here. And the move here is you just simply take this pawn, because when you take my pawn, I just simply take your queen, and okay, this thing is, this pawn is hanging, and after this pawn falls, this pawn is hanging. And to be remember is, like, this pawn is never falling, yeah, because it is protected by this bishop and the rook. And if something is needed, this rook can also help. So it's completely winning position. Moves continue, just one move. Like, okay, this is not played in the game. He didn't take the queen. He instead pushed to a3, and now with it plays queen a4, and after rook d2, with this simply played pawn to a5, and Swidler realizes there is nothing to defend, because then you, okay, I will make moves for you. So suppose the best move here is the point you brought your rook on d2, so you want to play the rook on rook here, yeah. So when you play the rook there on c2, I just simply take this pawn, and when you recapture on b4, I will take with the rook, and this is completely winning position because I am dominating the queen side. I am two pawns up, and Swidler realizes there is no way to defend this position, and he resigns. So it's great thing that Vidit got his first victory, and it's really nice. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon to get regular notifications. Thank you.